On the board, you have been asked to simplify these. You have your 2a raised to the power of 3 in the bracket, and you have the 2 outside, times 4a raised to the power of 6, or in the bracket, and you have the raised to the power of minus 2. Now, I'm going to use the simplest method to solve this, so we can be able to understand it easily without wasting much time. The simplest and easiest method. And what is the method? Solving it step by step for easy understanding. Now, let's do this. Now, first of all, we want to expand these. Whenever you see something like this, 2a raised to the power of 3 in a bracket, then you have power of 2 on top. It means that this number in the bracket is twice, will appear 2 times. That's what it means. It's going to appear 2 times. Now, this means 2a raised to the power of 3 times 2a raised to the power of 3. You set it down. This 2 on top, power of 2, shows that this has appeared twice. That's what it means. So this, you're done with this. Now let's go to the next one. Now you have your times. Now if you look at this, you have this in the bracket raised to the power of minus 2. According to the law of indices, when you have something like this, you have a raised to the power of minus 2. It means this minus becomes 1 over. The minus you're seeing there becomes 1 over. Then what is remaining? A and the power of 2. So this becomes a raised to the power of 2. That's the meaning of this. So this we've done here, let's apply it this side. So remember, this minus now will change to 1 over, you seen it? 4a raised to the power of 6 all squared. You see it? The same thing I did here. That's what happened here. So this minus changes to 1 over. So you have your 4a raised to the power of 6, then you have the square. So having done this, what should be the next thing now? Now what we'll do here now, we want to differentiate our numerator from the denominator. If you watch now, we are having numerator and denominator. Now I want to make it clear. I want the denominator to be clear and the numerator to be clear. Now, in order to get the numerator, this is what you do. You multiply the one on top, which is the numerator. It goes this way. This times this times this. We give us the same thing as 2a raised to the power of 3 times 2a raised to the power of 3 times 1 give us the same thing. Then all over now this. And if you watch now, this 4a raised to the power of 6 is also squared, all squared. It shows that this will show 2 times, will appear twice. So it will be 4a raised to the power of 6 times 4a raised to the power of 6, because it is squared. Very simple. So what should you do? Very, very simple. So what we do right now, in order to make it simple, like I said initially, I'll make it simpler by solving it step by step for easy understanding. Now, to make this thing very easy now, what we need to do, we'll separate the coefficients and separate the variables for easy understanding. So what we'll do here right now is we separate the 2 by saying 2 times 2. Now the a's, we push them one side by saying a raised to the power of 3 times a raised to the power of 3. You see it down? The same thing you do under, we shift the 4, the coefficient one side, and shift the other side. So 4 times 4 times a raised to the power of 6 times a raised to the power of 6. You see it down? We've shifted it. So what should we do? After it has been shifted, we'll simplify. We'll divide it. It can be divided now. How? Here, you say your 2 here is 1, your 2 here is 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. You seen it? After we've done that, now coming to this part, we write out the one that is given. Now, the 2, we've exhausted all the 2 here. So what is remaining here now is only a raised to the power of 3 times a raised to the power of 3. See it down. Now, after we've done that, what should be the next thing? Now, if you watch, we will now work using the one under, which is the denominator. What we have under is 2 times 2, which is our 4, times a raised to the power of 6 times a raised to the power of 6. See it down. Now, after this, now we can also divide. If you watch, this a here is raised to the power of 3. Why this a here is raised to the power of 3? You see it down? It will all cancel out. Now listen, when this a raised to the power of 6, 3, cancel this now. What will remain here? You have a raised to the power of 3. Because the 3 here has cancelled 3 here. What is remaining there is 3. Now this here has cancelled this here. This remaining a raised to the power of 3. So what you have here now is 1. Because when the whole of this cancel this is 1 is remaining here. 1 is remaining here. So 1 times 1 is 1. So what you have left is 1 over 4 times a raised to the power of 3 times a raised to the power of 3. That's what you have here. You've seen it? Now, what you have left, now we'll add together 1 over, then you have your 4 times, now according to the law of indices, since the a's are equal, we take 1 to give us a. Now, since we are multiplying on top, we add, which gives us 3 plus 3. Now, to become 1 over 4 a raised to the power of 6, which is our answer. Thank you.